We really want to see the children of this school. It's their school and we miss them, so we'd like to see them back.
The practical steps that we've put in place are set out in the guidance that we receive from Welsh Government and from local authority. Practical steps like producing a one-way system around the school, having a set entrance and a different exit so that there's no crossover, staggering arrival times and departure times from the site, and also reinforcing the cleanliness, the hygiene aspects of being in school so that we can build confidence in parents that this is a safe place to be.
The experience of running a hub school has definitely given us a range of skills and opportunities to get ready to prepare the school for reopening. The experience has been demanding and challenging, but we are now confident we can open the school to get the children learning, seeing their friends and seeing their teachers again. And that's something we're very, very keen to do. So the hub has been the opportunity to do that.
When the school reopens properly, the thing I'm most excited about is that I get to meet new people and I get to see people from school, like the teachers and my friends, because it's been really weird without them.
I would encourage parents to send their children back now because the school is safe and we're ready for the children to come back. And we really want to see the children of this school. It's their school and we want them to come back in and see the changes that we've made over the last 3 months to ensure that the place is safe. And they understand what they're coming back to in September. And we miss them, so we'd like to see them back.